Hello, it's Ari, and today I'm back with another review. I got these the other day at CVS. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Hershey Kisses. So, I don't know. Hopefully, they'll be tasty like the other ones. So, this is what they look like. Let's give it a shot. They're like actually crunchy on the inside. Really cinnamony. Wow. Whoa. Those are better, way better than I expected. They taste really good. They taste a lot like Cinnamon Toast Crunch and milk. I don't really know how they got that flavor there, but it literally tastes like a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and you get the crunch. 10 out of 10. Those are delicious. Love them. Hershey's Cinnamon Toast Crunch Kisses. Beautiful.